Hey everybody, this is Cabin 8111. This is a breezy balcony, and this is our cabin. So as you come in on my left-hand side here, that is where our closets are. There's 3 of them. In here we have our safe and a couple drawers. There's a hanging bar right here. The bar's right there. You can lift that shelf up and store it if you want more hanging. We also have hanging in here. Nice long hanging. And more hanging here. Lots of hanging. Coming further in here, we have our desk area. We have 1 US, 1 European. Nice mirror. Phone, of course. We have a hairdryer in this drawer down here. 3 additional drawers there. We have a mini fridge right here. Let's see if it's loaded. It is not. It's empty. Okay. Across from this, we do have our sofa, which is like a jackknife, so it does slide down. That can become a bed. Love the star above there. Little nautical theme. Palm tree picture above the bed, which is in its king configuration, or it can be 2 twins. You just separate them, and then these nightstands would go in the middle. There's no power at the head, except there is USB on the lights. There's a TV across from the bed. Let's not forget that. This is a breezy balcony, so let's go check out the breeziness. It's locked. There's a lock up here and the lock down there. We are a breezy balcony. We have looks to the back of the ship this way. And as you can see, we are nearly right up at the bridge. We're on the same deck as the bridge here. Beautiful views up and down the side of the ship. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Toilet's in a great place for some of my height guys. It's 6'4". Plenty of leg room. Since the shower here has a curtain, as you can see, you can move that off the side. So even if you're a little on the fluffy side, there's plenty of room as well. Good for the tall and fluffy. Shower, we just talked about, old school, has a curtain. We do have shampoo, conditioners, and stuff in there. It is an adjustable one that's also handheld. Over here we have our makeup mirror, 6 shelves. There's power up top right over there if we need to plug something in. There's storage underneath this single basin, solid surface sink. All in all, I mean, it's a standard size for an old ship. It's not too big, not too small. The fact that it has a curtain does sort of give it the feeling of more space because you can tuck it off to the side the way that you see it there. There you go. There's a breezy balcony here on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. All in all, looks pretty good. See you on the next one. Ciao.